Pannar has been involved in the Santam agriculture silage competition since the beginning, and that is 12 years ago. We've invited Kerry Rowlands to talk to us about their support and also what value they add to farmers. Kerry, yes, why does Pannar choose to support this competition?
So Pannar has been involved in the competition since the very beginning. We feel this silage competition provides a really great platform to enable Pannar to be evaluated along with our farmers. So it gives us an opportunity to really help the farmers progress and move forward in their production practices. So silage is quite a complicated process. It's got many different aspects or dimensions to manage, and there's that sort of old saying that says to measure is to manage. And I think that this competition, the evaluation is done so professionally with feedback from really highly trained experts, and that kind of feedback is it's extremely valuable to farmers and then also to those of us who are supporting them. So, basically, our main reason is that this competition aligns very strongly with our motto of being able to work together with farmers for their future.
And how do you make sure you add value to farmers when you recommend silage hybrids?
So when it comes to silage production, we've done numerous trials at various locations across many different seasonal conditions, and also investigated lots of different cultural practices to improve our understanding of the performance of our products in each area. So this silage research gives us the knowledge to be able to confidently support and advise the silage farmers in each area to be able to optimize their production. The agronomists and the reps also work together with the farmer to be able to give as much technical support as possible, because the reps are very much on the ground and much closer to the farmers, and then the agronomists are providing the technical support and looking at the bigger picture.
What is Pannar doing that is new, Kerry, and how are you supporting silage farmers into the future?
Yes, very. The agronomy and the sales team are working much more, or trying to work more closely with farmers to understand the needs of their operation and the challenges that they are facing. And these are sort of constantly changing. So a really dynamic response is needed. We're constantly looking at what we need to change or investigate. And farming itself, not just silage farming, all farming, is becoming more and more competitive. Input costs are increasing, profit margins are becoming thinner, and on top of all this, the seasons are becoming more unpredictable. So farmers are really under huge pressure to be able to do more with less. So as a Pannar team, we are focusing on how we can assist farmers with this. So looking at increasing yield, of course, but also how can we increase the efficiency and then also the stability of the farming operation. So in silage production, a lot of farmers are chasing dry matter yield, which is obviously a very important factor in silage production. But the quality of silage is also important. So this is where having a good grain yield is really important, and that's obviously a focus of Pannar's as well. Our breeding team is also constantly working on improving the agronomic characteristics of our hybrids. So having good disease resistance is really important, because that allows farmers ease of management. It reduces the input costs, and at the end of the day, it can give the farmer a little bit more peace of mind, knowing that he's got a robust hybrid in the ground. Yield stability, I think, is also becoming more and more important, especially in these current times where the seasons just can vary dramatically from one season to the next. And farmers just simply cannot afford a crop loss or a reduced yield. So it's important for us to continue to deliver hybrids that can, to develop hybrids that can deliver better, more reliable yields across various regions and seasons. So yeah, from a breeding or product development pipeline, I think Pannar's got some extremely promising products in the pipeline. We've got 2 newly released yellow maize hybrids on the market that are just that are performing extremely well. So we've got the Pan 4P 932. It's got a good sort of leafy characteristics, excellent. So it creates excellent dry matter production. It's also got quite a high tendency for prolificacy, which leads to excellent yields, good starch percentage, which again affects the quality of your silage, and ultimately at the end of the day has produced really good milk yield data. Then our other new hybrid is Pan 4P 952 PW. And that one, it's the first time we've tested it this season. It's really got great stability, so really reliable hybrid. It's performed well in sort of poorer soil fertility, but has also done really well in high potential areas. It's got excellent disease tolerance, which is a plus from a management perspective, and then it's able to produce really really nice large ears, which contributes to your yield and your starch production.
And that was Kerry Rowlands from Pannar talking to us about their silage business and also their support of the annual Santam Agriculture National Silage Competition.